Nice to see you again. Let's start doodling. Today we're going to draw a baby chick for Easter. Let's doodle! Okay, we're going to start up here at the top of the page, and we're going to start by drawing the top of the baby chick's head first. And it's just a curved line going down like this, and we're going to stop right about there. Now we're going to draw some hair or some feathers on top of the baby chick's head. So these are just 3 loopy lines like this. 1, 2, 3. And now right here, we'll do the other side of the top of the head with an arching line down like this. Remember, you can always pause the video if you need more time. And we'll stop right about there. Now let's do some feathers coming off the sides of the head. And these will just be little loopy lines like this. 1, 2. And let's do 2 on the other side. 1, 2. All right, now let's draw the rest of the head here. So it's just a curved line down like that. And we're going to stop right about there. And we'll do a curved line the same on this side. And we'll stop right about there. Okay, now let's draw a face. So we'll start by drawing one of the eyes here, right about here. And it's just a circle. That. And we'll do the other one over here. And let's do a highlight inside of that, like this. And like this on this side. And maybe we'll do one more smaller one like this. And like this. Now let's color it in black. Okay, let's draw the beak on the baby chick. So this is starting right about here. We're just going to do an arching line that kind of has a point to it like that. And then a curved line across like that. And then the bottom of the beak here like this. Okay, let's do some eyebrows above the eyes. That. And now let's do the arms. So starting right about here at the bottom of the head, we're going to do a curved line like this for one of the wings or arms. And we'll do the same on this side. Curve down. And come back around like that. Okay, we're going to have this baby chick coming out of a cracked shell, an Easter egg shell. So let's start by doing the edge of the shell around here like this. So starting right here on the hand, we're going to do some straight lines that go up and down, zigzaggy, like that. And then one over here, and we'll stop right about there. And then one down, up, down, and we'll stop right about there. And now let's do the bottom of the shell. Is a big sort of almost half oval, half circle line. So starting there, we're going to go all the way down. And take your time. This is a long line. All the way around and back up. Like that. Okay, let's do the back of the shell now. So these are just more jagged lines up and down like that. And we'll do some over here, up, down, and we'll connect it back to that point there. Okay, let's do some polka dots on this shell. So these are just a bunch of different sized circles, and you can kind of put them anywhere you want. So I'm going to do one here, and maybe a little bit bigger one down here. One here, just to make the shell of the egg extra colorful and Easter-like. one here. Maybe we'll do like a half one here. And maybe we'll do like a half one over here like this. I love how this drawing is coming together. Let's color it in. I'm gonna make my baby chick yellow, but you can make yours any color you want. I'm gonna make the shell kind of a lavender purple color. Let's do a darker purple for the inside of the shell to give a sense of depth. And we'll make the polka dots kind of a light pink color. And the beak, orange. Don't forget to sign your doodle. Wow! Keep drawing and have fun. Remember, there are no mistakes, only doodles. Bye! Ask your parents to like and subscribe for a new doodle every day.